Hey everybody, happy Monday night. We have gotten through Monday and I'm still cold. Look, I still have on my sweatshirt and everything from today. Here in Tennessee, it was ridiculously cold today considering we had two pretty days last week that were in the 60s. Today it was cold and it never got out of the 30s. It's in the high 20s now, supposed to be down to the teens tonight. I do not like it. I'm ready for warm weather and sunshine. Okay, so there is my little crying for the day about it being very, very cold. And I'm trying to get the light right because it's kind of washing me out. But anyway, so today I had a bare skin day because it was cold and I just sort of lotioned up and moisturized up. And I'm really treating winter skin right now. And I have the best things on the planet to do that. Hey, Robin, how are you tonight? So I wanted to talk to you about these products that I have that I think are incredible and tell you a little bit about why. And what is a booster? And why do you need boosters? And when do you need boosters? And so our basic skincare line, yes, it is cold. Our basic skincare lines, we have two lines. And one line, I kind of call them, let's differentiate between the over 30 line and the under 30 line. And not that they necessarily are age related, but it's more that one line focuses on balance and acne. That line is going to be our Dream Clean, which is a daily cleanser, our Calm Balm, which is a daily moisturizer, and Mask of Zen, which is a balancing mask. And all of those things work together in a super affordable kit of $82. You've got a face wash every day. You've got a moisturizer every day. You've got a weekly mask. That is a great skincare set. Really, really good skincare set. For the over 30 line where you're starting to need moisture, more moisture, and you want to fight some signs of aging, fine lines, and things like that, you're going to want to use the set I use, which is Quench Cleanse, a daily cleanser, Skin Therapy, a daily moisturizer, and then the mask in my set is called Skin Polish, which is a balancing and rejuvenating mask, which does a little bit of exfoliating. Okay, so we've got two skincare lines that both come with a daily cleanser, a daily moisturizer, and a weekly mask for $82. Fantastic price points to get you started on skincare, taking care of your skin every day. We have boosters that you add into these lines for additional help, additional focus. If you have things that you specifically feel like you need to work on, want to work on, or you are fighting, okay? So I'm going to talk about my two favorite ones right now, and they are especially my favorites in this winter skin, this winter time of cold skin. And I will say, I think that my skin is drier than normal right now, and I think it's a combination of we went to Disney a few weeks ago, and I actually got a little bit sunburned on my forehead and nose, which had a little bit of a peel. Then I come home, and it's really, really dry and cold again. So that has made me continue to be dry and peel. So I've really, really been hyper committed to my skincare routine because, you know, everybody's got skin and everybody wants that skin to look great, and I am no exception. So I'm really paying attention to what I'm doing, and I want to share that with you. So again, every morning I am washing my face with Quench Cleanse. I am using Skin Therapy, and actually twice a week I do the mask, the Skin Polish mask, okay? So that is just my basic skincare, okay? But two products that are very important. We have Dew Date and Sotoks, okay? Dew Date and Sotoks. These are products that I like to use every day. And I've also, I've already washed my face. I know it's kind of early, but I'm doing my nighttime routine with you guys tonight. So, Must Do. Must Do is an essential oil, and it comes from sunflower. So, it is sunflower and what they call palmarosa oil. It is almost medicinal. It has an aroma that's a little bit medicinal, but it's very relaxing and it smells very clean to me. If you know me at all, I am not big on super sweet smells. I like the clean smell. This is a blend and aroma that I love. It is very relaxing. Reminds me very much of, when you go to get a massage, the essential oils that they use on you. So I'm putting 2 drops. And now look how much 2 drops is, if you can see it in the light. 2 drops of Dew Date. And then I come all around my forehead and I'm just dabbing. All under my eyebrows, around my eyebrows. I do my lips morning and night. I am a mouth breather. And so I tend to have chapped lips, keep chapped lips. So I need the Must Do for that. And so again, when you're doing skincare, you want to go up and in. You don't ever want to pull down. So we're going up and in with Dew Date. Up and in. Now see, this is not a greasy oil. Okay, so I've done all of this with oil, right? It's an essential oil. It does not have a film. You do not have an oily film anywhere. This is just a great essential oil booster. It is going to give your skin just a little extra, especially in this cold weather. Okay, so that is Dew Date. It is, again, palmarosa oil and sunflower oil. Our products are as close to organic and all natural as they can be. They are free from harmful chemicals. And very, very good for you. Very, very good for you. Smells wonderful. You will love this. Okay, the next booster I'm going to use, and again, this is my nighttime routine, but I do use this morning and night. This is Sotoks. So here's your game for Sotoks. Sotoks rhymes with Botox. Ding, ding, ding. Sotoks rhymes with Botox. Okay, so Sotoks is an anti-aging. This is a very powerful anti-aging serum. You are going to use this to target areas that you are working on or you want to work on for anti-aging serum. It is very, very effective. I love it. When I started using Limelife by Alcone, one of the things that was really bothering me were my smile lines. They were bothering me. I'm not saying they're bothering everybody. Hey, Allison, how are you tonight? I'm not saying they're bothering everybody, but they were really bothering me. Sotoks has made a major difference in my smile lines to me, my under my eye, the tiny lines there. Princess Hush, sorry, I've always got dog noise. And then just a few little fine lines here. Now, again, because this is a booster, you are going to use it on target areas. So that skincare line, those standard skincare lines that I was talking about, that are going to come with a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a mask, you're going to do that all over. You're going to do that all over every day. Great products. These you're going to use for target areas. Price point's a little bit more. $42, I believe. I'm checking. Yeah, $42 for this. $28 for this. So they're a little bit more. You're adding them into your routine, but you're going to target areas. You're not just going to, I mean, if you want to slather it all over, go for it. But that's not what I do. I target areas. So I'm just going to give one pump. Well, I almost did two. And again, just very similarly like I did with Dew Date, I'm going to tab around. And for this, the areas that I work on are under my eyes. And, oh, yay! And you're going to want to, like I said earlier, when you are doing skincare, even when you're doing makeup, you want to go in very gently, in and up when at all possible, in and up. You don't want to pull down. You're going to want to go in and up whenever you can. So I'm going fine lines under my eyes, right here for the famous resting bee face, right? Don't want any of those little lines showing. And then I'm going to do smile lines. So right here and right here. So I'm not doing my whole face, just doing my target areas. And that's what a booster is about. You're working on your target areas. How about just a little bit left? So again, this is going to be my night for tonight. So I'm just going to put the last little bit on. But that's your boosters. Boosters are very important, and they're added on to our standard skincare line. Now, I will tell you that on days that I, maybe one night a week, maybe 2 nights a week, I use, one of our make-off wipes. Or if I'm traveling, I'm using a make-off wipe. So I may, on those nights, I'm really use the make-off wipe and going to bed. And so I'm not doing this full routine. But for the most part, I'm going to say 5 out of 7 days, if not more, I am using these products and I am adding these 2 boosters. These boosters I enjoy all the time, and I think they make an incredible difference in my skin, especially those smile lines that were bothering me. So that's a little bit about boosters. Again, our products, our skincare, are free of harmful chemicals. We are as close to all natural as we can possibly be. We do have, there's a little bit of preservative because you want to have a shelf life. You want these products to last for 6 months. So there's a little bit of preservative for that, but we are still classified vegan. We are Leaping Bunny certified. And I challenge you to find products that are this high quality at our price points. Our price points make this available to everyone. And, the other way to get these products is if you decide that you want to become a beauty guide. When you become a beauty guide with Limelife by Alcone, many of these products, Dew Date is one of the products that comes, a full-size Dew Date, comes in your starter kit. So you will get a skincare line and a Dew Date along with lots of other products. Over $380 in products come in that starter kit, but you also get to shop wholesale. So shopping wholesale is also a great way to get these skincare lines and these products. So I just wanted to touch base with you tonight and talk about boosters. Skincare is important, right? And everybody's got skin. A lot of times people will tell me they don't wear makeup. Oh, your makeup looks good, but I don't wear that much makeup. Okay, so you could take that as a no, like they're automatically not interested in Limelife. They're not interested in any products. But when someone says to me that they don't wear very much makeup, that automatically opens the door to me to go, well, then you really want your skin to look good, right? You want your skin to look its absolute best. Because if you're not using anything to cover those blemishes, you don't want blemishes. So you need the skincare. I challenge you to try our skincare and tell me what you think. If you have not tried Limelife by Alcone, drop me a comment or get in my inbox and I'll get you a sample. I love these products and love to share them. So you guys have a great Monday night. Yes, ma'am, Miss Robin. We are thinking alike. So you guys have a good night. Take care. Thanks for watching my lives.